Here are 5 things to do after updating to iOS 17 on your iPhone. We'll be looking at some of the new features in this update and the things you'll want to set up and customize. Let's get into them. First, you might want to set up your brand new contact poster, which is a completely new feature in iOS 17. Open the phone app and tap on Contacts, and then select My Card at the top. Next, tap on where it says Contact Photo and Poster. If you're setting this up for the first time, you may need to tap on the blue Continue button. Next, enter the name you want to appear on the poster. You can now choose the type of poster you want with one of the options at the bottom. For this example, we'll choose Memoji. Choose your Memoji and then a pose, and now you can customize the rest of the poster, including the name's font, color and boldness, by tapping on it. To change the background color, tap on the white circle in the bottom left. Once you've customized this, tap on Done in the top right and follow the remaining steps, which includes whether to use the poster as a profile photo and choosing who will see your new poster. The next thing to do in iOS 17 is set up and customize the new standby mode feature. First, check that standby mode is enabled, open the settings, scroll down and tap on standby, and then make sure the top toggle switch is turned on. You can also customize the other options on this page. To enter standby mode, lock your phone, start charging it, and turn it sideways to enter the new mode. Once you're in it, there are currently 3 pages to customize. First, on the widget page, tap and hold on one of the current panels to add or remove widgets here. This is just like changing a widget stack on the home screen. Tap on Done once you're happy and then swipe one page right. Here you can tap and hold to customize which photos appear. Again, tap on Done and swipe one more page to the right. This is the main clock page. Swipe up or down to select a clock style. Tap and hold on one to again change the style. If you see the white circle, tap on this to change the color scheme of your chosen clock. Once again, tap on Done to save your changes. Moving on, the next feature to check out can be found in the Apple Maps app. There's a new option in here that allows you to download offline maps. This might be very useful if you find yourself with no Wi-Fi or data and you need to get around, for example in built-up places with little cell reception. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right and then choose Offline Maps. On this page, tap on Download New Map. Search for the city or place you want to get the map for, and now you need to choose the specific area of the map you want to download. The square on the screen is what will be downloaded. Remember that this will take up space on your phone, so the bigger or denser the area you select is, the more space this will take up. Once you're happy with your chosen area, tap on Download at the bottom. If you're using data to download, you'll need to manually start the download. Up next, you might want to check out a cool new feature called Personal Voice. This is quite fun to use, but it does have some useful applications if you need it. It will take quite a while to fully set up. Open the settings and then choose Accessibility. In the speech section, tap on Personal Voice and then choose Create a Personal Voice. Follow the steps to set this up. You'll need a quiet space to record the 150 phrases it requires. This section could take up to 20 minutes. Once you've finished all 150 phrases, follow the remaining steps. After this, you'll need to let the voice be created. As mentioned, this process will take a long time, and your phone needs to be locked and charging for it to process. The time it takes will be different for every device, and it could probably take somewhere between 5 and 20 hours currently. Once completed, you should just see the date underneath the name of the voice. To test it out, head back to the accessibility settings and tap on Live Speech. Turn on Live Speech at the top, and then tap on the current chosen voice in the Voices section. Now select Personal Voice at the top, and then choose your newly created personal voice from the list. Now if you triple press the power button, Live Speech should appear, and you can type in a phrase for your phone to speak out loud with your new voice. Once you've typed in what you want to say, tap on Send and it will play the voice out loud. You can also create phrases to say by tapping on Favorite Phrases and then by selecting the plus icon. The 5th and final feature to use is the new Interactive Widgets. On your home screen, add a widget stack or edit a current one and check out all the new interactive widgets. These allow you to do things like pause and play music from the widget or edit or complete reminders. There might be even more interactive widgets added in the future. Those are 5 things to do after updating to iOS 17 on your iPhone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.